Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. Today we're going to look at the spring clean that we had in April of 2006 at Moraine Airpark. Airplanes got washed, people got transported around. We had a line of airplanes waiting to get in, so stay tuned for more pictures of all the fun.
So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
And here's some of the action with the dogs and the puppies running around. Rich Setterberg and his daughter Allison washing their tiger that sits at Butler County. And here's another picture of the trio of them washing Rich Setterberg's tiger, which, by the way, I think he's putting up for sale right about now, so stay tuned for that. And then, here's one of our other buddies with his little two-seater 99 DR, and cleaning the belly is never fun, and he just had a whole lot of it. And then here we are with Richard Mutzman and 399 Romeo Mike washing it on the wash rack at the Moraine Airpark. So we had a good line of people. We had a lot of fun. I moved a lot of airplanes around for people. Regional director of the AYA at that time, Luann, and I actually had a house 4 houses down on the airpark, and we had people flying in from all over to get their airplanes washed, and it was a good time. Matter of fact, it was also at this event in 2006 that I met Shop Monkey flying Ruby, November 1000 Sierra, out of Lunkin Airport. So there you go. What a small world Grumman is, huh? And then here's a few other people we have with their little puppy and their airplane. 49 Golf Tango. Isaac was borrowing it from Nancy Fella at the time, bringing it up to wash it. And I'm sure she enjoyed all the fun. So we hope you found this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman.